What's up, Diecast fam? As you can see, I'm getting ready to head in this Diecast collectible stores by the name of Supra Auto Toys. It's located in the city of Garden Grove, California. If you guys are in the area, please come and check it out. Before I go in and start shooting, I'm going to talk to the owner and get his blessing to make a video. Catch you guys inside. Alright guys, so here we are. I spoke to the owner. He gave me his blessing to make a video, so let's get started. Look at all the cars that he has. Man, like this whole table. Look at that, guys. He even has a racetrack. Look at that, guys. So he has a combination of new stuff and old stuff. Check this one out. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. So what I like about this store is that he has everything broken down into genres, like all the JDM stuff is on one side. Look at this, all this is JDM. He's got some of the VW stuff, some exotics. Here's more VW stuff. Awesome. Here you have domestic stuff like the Chevelle Ss, the Chevys, the Mustangs. Look at this. Check this out, man. 68 Chevy Nova. This is awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here that I wish I had in my collection. As a matter of fact, after I'm done shooting, I'm gonna start picking some things that I want, and I'll show them to you when I get home. If you guys are ever in the area, make sure you come check him out. He's got a lot of cool stuff. Check this out, man. Check this out. This is where he has all the fantasy castings, so check that out. Here he has the team transport stuff. Very cool. Matchbox. More team transports, 5-packs. He has a few more things over here. This is awesome, man. Let's check out the other side over here. I like this little toolbox here with his logo. Pretty awesome. Check that out, guys. It's pretty cool. On this side, he has some green light stuff. Nissan Skylines. He has a ton of them. Check out this one. Here's a variation of that Nissan Skyline. Very cool. Check this one out, guys. This is a pretty cool mini GT Toyota Supra. Awesome. Here's some of the new stuff. This is all E-case. It's got a bunch of Chevys. Check that out. Man, this place is insane, man. I don't think I've ever seen so many cars. So, oh, check this out, man. He's got some vintage cars over here. Nissan Custom Z. Very nice. Got some Ferraris. Check this out, man. A lot of cool stuff. Here's the Mercedes 380 SEL. Check these out, guys. Jeep Wrangler Jurassic Park. Here we have some of the premiums. It's got some Auto World. Check this one out, man. This is really cool. This is a Maesto Bmw. Check this out, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. Look at all the detail. This thing is sweet. Here's another Toyota Supra. On this side, he has all the premiums. Here's the Toyota that a lot of people are looking for. Mustangs. Check out this Nissan Skyline van. Vintage 5-packs. Check that out, guys. Very cool. Ooh, check this one out, man. This one is really cool. Check this out. Check this one out, guys. Very cool. Speaking of lowriders, here's some more. Chevy Impala. Oh, this one's nice. This one is really nice. Check this out, man. Man, this is sweet. Check out this 56 Ford truck. This is sweet. Check this one out, guys. This is a 40 Ford. Kind of looks like the Flash Rider. First edition, 1998. Very cool. Here's this cool 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Very nice. '81 Camaro. Man, he has a lot of cool stuff in here. For you motorcycle fans, check this out. This is really cool, man. Very, very cool. It's got some more stuff. Vintage trucks over here. This is a 2001 La Troca. Check this out. Check out the color and everything. This is really cool. Here's a variation. Here's a Pontiac Firebird. Very cool. Check this out, guys. This is really, really clean. Love the color scheme. Check this one over here, guys. Man, he has a lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool stuff. Mustang Hunter. Check this out, man. I know my boy Mustang Hunter would love this for sure. Really cool. Check this one out. This is sweet. Oh man. Check out these Derrick delivery trucks, guys. Very cool, man. Very, very cool. Here's some more vintage stuff over here. Check this one out. This is a Fred Meyer exclusive. Oh man, this is so sweet. Pretty good selection of a lot of cars. Check that out. 1973 Datsun 510. This is sweet, man. Here's this cool Mazda RX-7. Man, check that out. This thing is sweet. Porsche 911 GT2 RS. Very cool. Check this out. Nissan Skyline Gtr R34. Here's some more stuff. I'm in your face, as Mark would say. Oh man, this is so sweet. The 2018 Acura NSX. Check that out, guys. That is so sweet, man. Man, check out this other Skyline in white. Here's the Skyline 2000 GTR. Wow. And this place is insane. Check this out. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. And here's a color variation. Very cool. And check this one out, man. 1993 RX-7. This thing is sick, man. Here's another Mustang. 1951 Mercury. 1957 Chevy Suburban. Very, very cool. Check this out, man. 1959 Volkswagen Beetle. Oh, check this one out, man. This is really cool. Really, really cool. Check this one out. Oh man, the Type 2 T1 delivery pickup. It has a nice little surfboard on the side. That's really cool. Check these out, guys. This is super cool, man. Check this one out, guys. Another T1 with a Golf livery. Another one. Here's some more trucks over here. This is really cool. Check this out, guys. So yeah, guys, so as you can see, this guy has a little bit of everything for every type of collector out there. If you guys are in the area, Garden Grove, California, come check him out. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for me. I'm going to take a look around and I'll show you guys what I picked up when I get home. Catch you in a bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Man, I am absolutely stoked. Just got home with my bag of goodies here, which I'm about to show you. But first, let me tell you, man, this place is absolutely incredible. This guy has a little bit of everything for every type of collector out there. Once again, guys, if you guys are in the area of Garden Grove, California, make sure you check out his store. You guys are going to fall in love with the stuff he has in there. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, so the first car is this awesome 1968 Chevy Nova. This is from the HW Flame series. So you can see it comes in a very nice orange, black interior. It's got some cool black flames. It's got the double racing stripes on the top there. It's got some cool 5-spoke chrome rims. And it's got some more flames on the hood there. Very, very cool. I also picked up this awesome 55 Chevy Bel Air. Check this out, man. This is a cherry, as Mustang Hunter would say when I sent him that Mustang. It has a very nice cherry red color, white interior, clear glass on the front and back, It's got some cool pencil striping on the side. It's got the BF Goodrich tires. And check out the detail on the back, man. Check that out. Mattel does not make cars like this anymore, guys. That's why vintage cars are worth picking up. Alright guys, I also picked up this awesome 1970 Chevy Chevelle. It's the Target Red Edition. I picked up this car from my man JDC. I was on his live stream yesterday. He said he already has it, but he wouldn't mind taking another one. So JDC, you have my email, you have my number. You could shoot me an email or you could send me a text message. I love the color scheme on this car. The white on red, red interior, red glass, red wheels. Nice. Next one up is this awesome 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Check this out, man. I love the colors on this car. It's got a nice baby blue color. It's got the racing stripes on the top. It's got the 10-spoke chrome wheels on it. It's got the Hot Wheels logo back here. It lacks some detail on the back and on the front, but it does have some pretty cool detail on the grille. This thing is a beauty. I also picked up this nice cherry over here. Check out this cool 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Comes in a nice cherry red, white interior. I love the pencil striping on the side. It's got the cool Hot Wheels logo on the side. It's got the 5-spoke rims. Check out the blue racing stripes all across the top. Got some on the hood, on the top, and on the trunk. Lacks some detail on the back, but that's okay. And it does lack some detail on the headlights as well. But overall, this thing is a beautiful casting, man. I also picked up this awesome Porsche Carrera GT. Derrick, if you're watching, I know you're gonna love this car, man. Check out all the detail. It comes in a nice yellow, black interior. It's got some dark glass all around. Check out the taillight detail. It even has the Carrera GT detail on the back. And it's got some pretty cool headlight detail. It's got a cool racing stripe on the hood. Very, very cool. Check out the wheels. Very cool car, man. I also picked up this awesome 1970 Chevelle Ss. Check this out, man. This car comes in a beautiful yellow, white interior. It's got light blue glass on the front and the back. It's got some cool wheels. It's got the Hot Wheels decal right here. It's got some cool sponsors over here. It does lack some details on the taillights and the headlights, but it's all good, man. It's still a beautiful piece. I also picked up this awesome 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Check this out, guys. This car comes in a blue metallic. It's got a light gray interior. It's got clear windows all around. It's got some cool white racing stripes on the top. Check out the wheels. Very cool. This number 67 represents the year of the car, obviously. And it's got some cool sponsors right next to the number 6. It also has the cool Hot Wheels decal right here. Lacks some detail on the front, but that's okay. That's to be expected. And it lacks some detail on the back as well. But overall, man, this car is absolutely awesome. And because I love the 67 Mustang so much, I picked up another one. This one comes in a very cool copper color. It's got some cool chrome wheels. It's got the cool Hot Wheels decal right here, just above the fender. It's got clear glass on the front and the back. It's got the cool Mustang badge back here. It does lack some detail on the taillights. It does lack some detail on the front as well, but it's okay, man. Either way, this car is absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, and last but not least, I picked up this awesome Dodge Challenger drift car. This is the star of the show. Check out the Dodge livery on it. It's got a black interior. It's got clear glass on the back and the front. It's got some cool wheels on it. Check out the cool black spoiler. Check out all the detail. This car is absolutely beautiful. It does lack some detail on the headlights and the taillights, but it is a regular treasure hunt. I don't know if you guys could see the treasure hunt symbol right here, but yeah, man, this car is absolutely beautiful, guys. All right, guys, so this is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care, God bless, happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.